Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call voice assistant using your headphones Beats Studio Pro. So, to call a voice assistant, at the right ear cup we have B button. You need to press and hold this button and you will call your assistant. And as you can see, we just did it. I need to only sign in into my account, but it works. If you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. On Samsung, maybe you will call Bixby if you do not disable this assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!